welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to sign in Outlook using QR code on computer. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So first thing you have to do is open your Outlook, and from here, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner, this one. After that, go to General, just tap on that one. So in here, you'll find this mobile devices, this one. So what you're gonna do is just tap on that again, and then tap on sign in faster to Outlook on your phone. Just tap on that. Just wait for it to load. And there you go, we've got a QR code. So what you're gonna do is scan the QR code using your phone to log into your account using PC. And that's it everyone. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!